Self-awareness is a word of the day. We are all self-aware. We know our traumas, we know our childhood wounds, we know our trigger, we know our patterns. We can exactly name and label what we do and why we do it, but we do it anyway. We nod at the mirror, we look at ourselves, wisely talk about all the labels that we have for our traumas, right before we do the same mistake for the 5th time. Well, it sounds impressive, except we still are anxious, we don't feel better, we still are stuck in the same pattern. We don't feel better. We just talk about our suffering with a better lighting and better label. So, what's going on? Why self-awareness doesn't sound progress always? So stay with me. We are going to discuss what is self-awareness and how we can use it for the better progress, for change. The problem is not self-awareness. The problem is that we confuse insight with changes. Awareness was meant to be a starting point. It's just like cleaning the window before you look at the mess inside the room. Just like turning light before you start to clean the room. But somehow along the way, it becomes our personality. We say things like, I'm anxious one. I am recovering overthinker. Or I'm avoidant. And look, I get it. Labeling things is very comforting. They make you to feel more organized. But the truth is, if we repeat the same pattern long enough, they don't help us to grow. They just help us to brand our limitations. And we will stuck in the same pattern with a better labeling. And I'll give you an example. A friend calls you for your empathy, for talking about some problem. You shut down. You just don't answer. And you have exactly perfect label for it. My nervous system went into protection mode. Well, beautiful analysis, but still crappy friend. I did it too. I have moments in my life where I could explain exactly why I was stuck, while actively refusing to move forward. So what we are going to do with all this self-awareness? We are creating a map. But then we have to walk. We have to move forward. Growth happens when you apply the insight. And that rarely sounds impressive and comforting. There are tiny choices in life that no one is going to applaud for us for applying it. But they build a new reality in our life. Real changes doesn't come with knowing everything about yourself. And it comes with making a different decision because your past doesn't disappear. But then with knowing it, you can create a new reality for yourself. Even if it doesn't sound comforting, it's hard, it's awkward. It comes from making different decisions. It's not rewriting your past and creating a map of your past. It's about knowing your past and writing a new chapter of your life. Rewriting your story is not self-awareness. creating a next chapter of your life, page by page. That's a growth. That's understanding. That's understanding the pattern of your life. But if you don't apply it, you'll be stuck with labeling your past and using it to be stuck in a same pattern forever. Self-awareness is very powerful, but it's not a prize. It's a flashlight. The question is where you're going to point it. That's what matters. So if you're tired of labeling your pattern, your traumas, and ready for change, subscribe. Or even better, do something right today, unglamorous and boring, that your future self will thank you. What you can do right today with something that you know about yourself, but you're finally ready to stop performing it and start shifting. Choose it and do it right today. So, until next time, goodbye.